All right, guys, so quick little update on my buddy Mace. He is off the leash, and he's having a good old time. Now, the first time I kind of took him off the leash, you could tell he was just kind of like, really? Am I, like, loose? So it's a little bit funny, you know? Like, it actually took him a little bit. Come on, Macey. He picked up a tiny bit of a limp in the hind end. I think he injured his foot a bit in his indoor-outdoor run. But other than that, he's doing great. Training's coming along, tons of energy, happy-go-lucky dog right now. He's really enjoying being off-leash. I get the impression he wasn't off-leash all that much, which is no great surprise. I mean, I can't imagine you ever turning a dog like this loose without some good e-collar training. Woo, good boy. Go on, go play. Break, break. Break, break, you don't have to heel. He likes to auto-heel a lot. I know I worked a lot on heeling before I turned him loose, and it's just kind of the way things worked out this time, but I'm real happy with him. Like, he ain't ready for a complete off-leash around heavy distractions, but as you can see, he's got some really good obedience. He's happy to work with me, and that's the big thing, you know, is I don't give him free food. The food all still comes from me in the training, so he has a very positive association with me in training. That's one of the benefits of keeping a dog in a kennel. When you're training them, you are their primary form of stimulation, so they tend to be a lot more intense about that training, whereas if they're a house dog, you know, they're used to kind of stimulating themselves a lot, and that is one of the benefits. Now, because we're probably going to be developing this dog as an executive protection dog, we are going to break. Go play. House training him and all that, but he's a dog that, you know, he really does like to work with the handler. Once he likes you, he really likes you, especially now that he's learning all this impulse control, all that kind of good stuff that he didn't know before. You know, he's becoming a really, really nice dog, and you see that a lot with these dogs, you know. It's like, oh my God, he's such a monster. Yeah, he's a monster because he doesn't really have a lot of control on him. When you put control on a dog, you see a different dog. I'm really happy with the progress. I just wanted to update you guys on Mace to see where he's at. He's doing so good. Sit. Good. Up. Good boy. Break. Yes, good job, buddy. So we're starting to play with toys now. His bite work's being developed. You know, he's a happy camper. All right, guys, that's a little update, and we'll check in with you guys soon. Check our online courses, shieldk9online.com. We also have a ton of gear available through our online store at shieldk9.ca. If you're interested in any training, check us out. Links are in the description below.